Hi, Welsh Dragon Metals here. Going to be pouring some mystery metal today. This is a bar here that I recently broke because of its high zinc content, so I'm going to be melting some more material in it that I've recovered off of drossy material. There's some of that, bit of hard drive. So let's make a small bar out of this. I haven't made many of these. One, in fact. One of them. So only be using a hand burner for this. Nothing major. Don't need a massive blowtorch or anything for this one. That's a DIY crucible there though. Make sure there's no moisture in the mould. That's good. May need to scoop off a little bit of dross here. There is a small amount of borax in the bottom of this. Stainless steel, made out of a section of gas tank, MAP gas tank, the run out. Recycling, that was good. Saves buying an expensive steel crucible. Liquid's already melted, as you can see there. A little bit of dross on the top, very shiny. As expected, this has high zinc and high tin content. Maybe a small amount of antimony and indium. Not sure in what ratios, so still mystery metal. Be adding this to my mystery metal stack. It's too hot to crank up my furnace in the UK, but as soon as the weather cools down I will be pouring high temperature metals, most likely copper and gold, so keep an eye out for that. A little bit of dross on there, I may need to scoop that off. Stuck in there. There we go. Small amount of dross stuck to that as well. No problem. Always have the dross scoop handy. There it is. That's the glowing stuff on the top. It's unwanted material. Metal that doesn't alloy well, things like that. Didn't preheat the mould, so that will need some heating in order to get a nice uniform shape. Shouldn't take too much heat though. These hand burners burn quite hot. You can use them for a lot of light metal melting work. There we go. It's already melting quite quickly. Quicker than suspected. This is a new gas tank though. Scoop off that little bit of dross there on the corner. There we go. Nice. Add a little jiggle. Poke at it. Make sure it's solidified all the way to the bottom. Yep, indeed it is. Show there's a small amount of dross. Just coming off. Floats to the surface on the liquid metal once you move it round. Scoop that off, it'll make it look for a nice shinier bar. Okay. Going through a few of them. Also turned one of those blowtorches actually into a bar. video is somewhere on my channel amongst my many hundreds of videos, so check it out. There's the mystery metal bar. It's quite nice, as you can see. That's a loaf ingot, that shape there. Due to it, this mould takes on the form of a loaf of bread, so that's why it's named as such. Still quite liquid, as you can see. It's wobbling around, so that will need some reheating in order to get a nice uniform shape upon that, as it will likely form some defects as it is high in zinc and tin, as I said, but it will definitely look like a nice bar. So check out my Instagram and Twitter if you want to see more images of this, and I will post more videos when the weather cools down some. See you next time.